New vehicle today we have launched this Chevrolet Sail sedan to the Bangalore market. This is the national launch, to be very precise, because this vehicle has been today launched simultaneously in 3 cities: Delhi, Mumbai and Bangalore. The highlights of this vehicle, this comes in both petrol and diesel. This is the hatchback version was launched about 2 months back, and this is the notchback version. The petrol version comes in 1.2 liter engine and the diesel version comes in 1.3 liter engine. As far as the fuel efficiency is concerned, the petrol fuel efficiency is about 18.2 kilometers and the diesel fuel efficiency is about 22.1 kilometers. And if you look at the USPs of this vehicle, this is the most spacious vehicle in this particular segment. Why I say so? Because it is very stylish, performance is very good, fuel economy is excellent, storage space is superb, styling is outstanding. And in the case of space, if you look at it in the particular segment, it has got 370 liters boot space and the instrument cluster. The most in the case of safety, it has got a centrally mounted fuel tank and it comes with ABS. ABS means anti air brake distribution system and all those things, because even in the rainy season and all the skid will not be there. And then we have both airbags, driver as well as passenger. So these are some of the exclusive features of this vehicle, and this has been aggressively priced as well. The petrol version starts at 4.99 lakhs and the diesel version starts at about 6.29 lakhs. It comes in 7 colors. And the variant, there are about 4 variants in both categories, petrol as well as diesel. The industry continues to remain absolutely sluggish because last year, if you look at it, 2012, the market was already, we were all expecting the market to grow somewhere around 11-12%. The market has grown only by somewhere around 2.1%. If you look at 2013, even Jan, the market is down. The overall market, the passenger car industry is down by somewhere around 8%. And in our case, we are also down by about 7%. So we sold about 7,588 units. And as far as Karnataka is concerned, as in today, we have got about 16 sales points and about 12 authorized service outlets. And the intention is to take it to 20 sales points and at least about 15 authorized service outlets by this year. And in the case of Karnataka market, last year we sold about 5,700 units and this year the target is to sell somewhere around 10,000 units. We are expecting the market to improve in the coming days. Even otherwise, we should be able to achieve this target because last year we have phased out the categories of the vehicles which we have launched today. So we have phased out to 3 vehicles last year. The Optra was phased out and then Aveo was phased out. The hatchback Yuva was phased out. So in turn now we have introduced the Chevrolet Sail sedan and we have also introduced the Yuva, which is a hatchback. So with these 2 products already in our product lineup, along with this one, because we are also likely to launch an MPV, that is a multi-purpose vehicle. The name of the vehicle is Enjoy. That is going to be launched within the next 2 months' time. So probably by March end or April timeframe, we will be able to launch that product as well. With these launches, we are quite confident that we will be able to sell about 10,000 units in the state of Karnataka alone. All over India, last year we sold about 92,435 units. And this year, depending upon the market conditions, the expectation is to grow in tandem with the industry. And the market in any case is likely to improve only after the budget is presented. The budget is likely to be presented on the 28th and we are expecting that a growth-oriented budget is going to be presented. And if that happens, the market is likely to improve in the first or second quarter of this year.